So this lesson is on solving equations with variables on both sides. So first we have our example, 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 10. So the first thing you're going to want to do is establish variables on one side and constants on the other. So you can subtract the 2x from both sides, giving you 4 is equal to x minus 10, and then you can add 10 to both sides and get 14 is equal to x. So what you were wanting to do is to get the variables onto one side and you want to get the constants on the other side. And then after you get them on both sides, then you should have the answer that you can be able to multiply, divide, and simplify. So our next example is 7j plus 4y is equal to 12 plus 7j minus y. So what you want to do first, if you're trying to find the value of y, what you want to do first is eliminate the other variables. So you want to subtract, using my blue pen, you want to subtract 7j from both sides to get 4y is equal to 12 plus negative y. So in this step, you are eliminating any extra variables. And then you have to eliminate the variable that you're trying to find and get it onto one side. So we'll add y to both sides, getting 5y is equal to 12, and then we just divide 12 by 5 and we get 2.4, which is y. So the step after eliminating extra variables is establish variable on one side and constant on the other. And constant on the other. And then, of course, you multiply, divide. And we have one more example, which is 5g plus 7g is equal to 6 minus 2g. So in this, you want to first combine your like terms on any side of the equation. So you have to combine 5g plus 7g. So you're combining 5g and 7g, which is going to give you 12g is equal to 6 minus 2g. So of course you add the 2g to both sides and you get 14g is equal to 6. So you divide 6 by 14, which gives you 3/7, which is g. What's happening in this example is teaching you to combine like terms on one side of the equation, and then you follow the steps you've already learned. all the other necessary steps. So, with this lesson, all you need to do is remember these rules and all of the other rules of multiplying and dividing within equations.